Today we're going to Import Expo. Last minute thing I seen on my feed, and I'm so excited to take my girlfriend along with me. Going to see these cool cars today, and I cannot wait. Yeah, so the show starts at 5 p.m. I'm very excited. It's actually inside, so this is the first time I went to an inside show. So yeah, it's basically gonna really bring out the cars, the colors when it's under that bright light. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me. Hope you guys enjoy today's video of me walking you around, showing you cool cars. First one, go to this lovely Honda right here. This is like the spec I want, something like this, not too much. Like, the Civic Type R, but I would take an EG. Simple, nice setup that I like. I wonder how much it's going for. This is one of my dreams. You know what this is? This is the Evo. That is crazy. Oh, nice wheels. On some Ray wheels. Very nice setup right here. You know what this is? Another one. Very nice. It's also on raised wheels. Nice setup. And that would be the definite setup I would go for right here. Very simple. You know, I was looking at one of these.
This is Brandon has one. My uncle.
I was looking at one of those. Like, I was thinking about buying one of those. I love these. I love these Civics. The hatchbacks is what I want so bad. Very simple, clean build. So clean. So clean. Super nice. Like, the bronze wheels match everything. The forged wheels. This thing is clean. Like, the bride seats match perfect. Like, they look great. This is definitely something I would get. This is like a dream build, like a dream car, and it's wide body too. It's crazy. This is something I won't take out though. I won't drive, never drive this car, but it's very clean. I love it, love it. Like, it looks so good, so good.
Niggas, let's smoke. Just place this order now that work right at the store.
That's nice.
I seen this beautiful Toyota Supra on the Pandem wide body kit with the work wheels. Nice, simple build. I really love about these Toyota Supras that they're clean, and I don't know what they did, but they did it right, you know. And this is something I really would love to get in the future. And my girlfriend was really intrigued about this because she loves Toyota Supras. Don't know how, don't know where, but you know, it's because your boy right here. But yeah, she really wants to get a Toyota Supra, and one day in the future, if we ever get a Toyota Supra, I would do the same exact build just like this. And yes, on the other end, I seen this very nice clean Honda Civic, clean as engine bay, crisp engine bay, wide body hatchback. Nice. I love this. If I had a hatchback, if I'm getting a hatchback in the future, this is something I want to do. Something clean, something simple, and it looks so appealing, and I was just amazed. And I love the bride seats and the blue cage in the back. But yeah, that's something I really would love to do.
A nice Honda 2000. These wheels are nice. You got the Dev Sport Sprinter. I think I'm putting that back on. Oh, another Honda. I love that Sprinter. very nice. These wheels are very nice too. Oh, that tint? Yeah, that tint, I cannot do that on mine. You know, actually I can because I do have eye issues. That's like some presidential tint right there. Like, you're not seeing nothing in that. I like the wheels. What wheels are these? Yeah, I like this. Simple build. Very like it. Looks good. Simple. Simple and nice 250. The wide body spec. I like the lights. The color is just that's too bold of a color for me. I can't do that. But I do love what he does to this because the wheels match the seats.
It's kind of giving Superman.
Yeah, but nice wide body. I love it. Very nice. Oh, this right here is so clean. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I might just go and just copy this build. I like it so clean. The red underglow lights. I gotta do a better walk around with this, because this right here is this is too nice. Yeah, this guy is sick. So what is he running? Oh, this is super clean, super clean. These right here are my dream wheels. These work wheels, oh my God. This guy is clean. I like the front simple, but it's still aggressive with the wheels poking out with that camber. It still look good.
So this is where Honda needs to make the comeback at. I've seen this beautiful S2K in the wild. So clean. I love the color. I love the bronze raised wheels he had on there. The engine bay looks so good. So clean. I don't know what turbo that is. I love everything about this car. Like the cage. It was on wide body. I love the wing. The wing was very nice. I mean, whoever built this car knew what they was doing. And I'm begging Honda, please, please, please bring this build back. Honda Civic Type R, wide body too, with the blue raised wheels. Look very clean. Clean build. I like everything that he did to this car. Simple. Simple. I love simplicity. The engine bay looked good. I like the little things he did in there. And it was very simple too. I'm just fanning out, because when I see Hondas that are clean and are built perfect with a perfect spec. Then I looked over here saying this yellow Honda Civic. This one was like my favorite, because I want to do a yellow wrap. And the Ricardo yellow seats, something I would do. I like doing wild things. I love the cage, and it was nice. The bronze wheels, you cannot go wrong. I've seen a lot of bronze raised wheels at this car show. It's trying to tell me something. But yeah, everything about this car was just perfect. Perfect build. 10 out of 10. Loved it. Everything that I've seen so far, I was like, wow, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to build. If I ever get an opportunity to build another Honda, this is what I want to. This is what I want to look like. So yeah, very nice. Loved it. Clean. The side mirrors, love that. The carbon fiber. I don't know what type of side mirrors are, but those were really nice. I love those.
Oh, this Acura is clean too. This is nice. This is like the popular. This is the most popular wheel. These raised blues, everybody like. If it's not blue or bronze, they put these on every car. These are nice. I like this engine bay, hybrid racing. Oh yeah. I don't think it makes some nice power.
I've seen this amazing another S2K in the wild, but this is really simple too. It was black on some red wheels. I don't know what wheels they were. I didn't look at them too much, but something really caught my eye was on this build. They did a carbon fiber door and the bride seats they have. But it was nice, very clean build.
That's nice right here. This is crazy. Yeah. that's sick.
Is it like a United? That
I think that's one of the shortest car shows I ever attended. Like I said, it wasn't a lot of cars in there, so very small venue. Seen some clean builds. So show started at 5. We had to do a wait, and we didn't get in around like 5. I said like 5:15. Now it's like 6:10 right now, and it's over with. I guess we're gonna find some food. But it's a lot of clean cars out here in the parking lot. A lot of nice deals out here. Southside Honda every Thursday. Okay. I definitely might have checked this out. All right. Oh. You're getting hungry, aren't you?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay. So I guess we're gonna find some food somewhere and eat. But yeah, like I said, wasn't a lot of cars, but it was a very nice, clean cars. And especially, I seen a lot of Hondas. I'm a huge Honda fan, especially the S2000s. Like, please bring those back, Honda. Please, like, I'm telling you, y'all will like go right back to the peak of the era. We break out a S2000 again. Like, in this, right here in this economy, yes. I'm so full right now. I just got done eating my favorite wings at my favorite wing spot. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video at. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We've seen a lot of cool cars, a lot of nice ones in a very short time, but it was good though. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. And you like the same thing. Before we get out of here, what was your favorite cars that you like, that you seen?
I like the Supra.
Yeah, the Supra.
That was definitely my favorite.
Yes, yes.
I've seen a lot of variety of cars that I liked. I don't know. I don't have like multiple favorites. I think the Supra was my favorite.
Yeah, Supra is our dream car. So if I ever buy that car, you know I have to do that same exact spec.
I don't know if you could say dream car.
What is your dream car?
I don't know. I would take any. I would take a handful.
We know what a dream car
I
is.
think it's cute. I would take.
We know you know your dream car is.
I want a Porsche.
That's it.
Kind.
That's Porsche. You want that Porsche GT3.
Yeah.
That's your dream car.
Take that.
But if I do get a Supra, I do everything that she wants to do.
I would definitely drive a Supra too.
If I'm getting the manual, you know how that goes.
I would do that. I would learn it.
See? Oh, also, before I leave, make sure you drop by the site, Street Legal USA. It's up, live. Go grab you some merch. See ya.